Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video, and I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at CVS and about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. And I'm sorry this is my first deals video for this week, but you guys, I'm getting older. I fell asleep. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning when I got done with my unadvertised deals last night, and I fell asleep putting together my best deals video, and by the time I woke up I was like, I might as well just come to the store. So I'm hoping I can get this video out earlier for you guys so that you can get to shopping. So we're going to start off with some beauty related deals. We're going to grab some Aveeno first. So the first thing I'm going to be grabbing is two of these facial cleansers for $8.59 each. This week, when you buy two of these, you are going to get back a $5 extra buck since they are spend 15 and get back 5. Then you want to check your Ibotta account to see what type of rebate you have back. I have back $3 on each, so these are going to be a really good deal using our $1.50 printable coupons. So these two are going to total me up to $17.18. Loaded to my account, I have a 3 off of 10 Aveeno CRT. I also have $2.50 coupons. So at the register, after that $6 in savings, I'm going to pay $11.18, but then I'm going to get back $5 in extra bucks and $6 from Ibotta. I'm going to make my final cost for these two just 18 cents. The next thing we're going to grab is the CoverGirl. This week, these are buy two, get back $6 in extra bucks. I'm going to grab two of the pencils for $4.99, and in today's inserts we did get $3 coupons, so these should be a nice little money maker for us. So these two are going to total up to $9.98. Using the two $3 coupons, I'll pay $3.98 at the register. Then I'll get back $6 in extra bucks for picking them both up. Gonna make these two free plus a $2.02 moneymaker. The next thing I'm going to be grabbing is this Olay facial cleanser. So in today's inserts, we have brand new 5 off of 2 insert coupons off these cleansers, and they are $5.79. So I want to grab a couple of these. Let me show you the breakdown. So these two are total me up to $11.58. There is no extra bucks back on this variety, but I do have a 3 off of 10 that will apply along with this $5 coupon. So that'll bring me down to paying $3.58 for 2 of them, or making them $1.79 each. Now, a couple things with the Olay this week that I'm not going to be doing in store, but I want you guys to be aware of. So with the Olay facial cleansers, if you want to get the more expensive ones that are like $9.99, those are included on a buy two get four. That is a little bit too pricey for what I want to do today. And then also we have brand new $12 off of 2 digital and paper coupons on the Regenerist and the Eyes facial creams. Is working on these mini sizes that I have up on the screen, which is really nice. If you want to grab the 2 minis for like $12.99, you can get them almost buy one get one free, and that 3 off of 10 for beauty will work on these. Now if you can find this purple one right here in your area, this one is also tracking for the spend 20 get 5 this week, so you can work out a really good deal. These have been sold out in my area for a long time, but do keep that in mind that there are some deals on Olay this week if you want to work something out. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my first little transaction right here. We're going to get our 4 facial cleansers and our CoverGirl. Let's see how this deal goes. Now, something to notice before I review the receipt is the Olay Regenerist actually rang out for $4.05 at my store. So these must be marked down on clearance or something. So they rang out for $4.05 each on sale when I took them up to the register. So they were only $8.10 for 2. So with that $5 coupon plus my $3 CRT, these actually worked out to be about 10 cents or 5 cents each. Now, had I have had them at full price, if they had been $5.79, the $2 digital probably would have come off as well. But since they were $4.05, the $5 coupon did attach to both of them. The Olay, the CoverGirl, the Aveeno. There is the two $3 coupons for the CoverGirl. The $5 coupon is for the, what do we have $5 for? We had $5 for the Olay, and then we had $1.50 for the Aveeno. My 2 3 off of 10s applied with no problem, and I rolled in $15 in extra bucks. Subtotal came up to 26 cents, so we paid out $15.26. Then I got back $11 in extra bucks, so I got back the 5 for the Aveeno, the 6 for the CoverGirl, and I submitted over to Ibotta for $6.10 in cash back. Made that little baby transaction not only free, but $1.84 moneymaker. We have a lot of different laundry deals that you can do this week, but this week is spend 20, get 5. Y'all know I'm not a huge fan of that. I am more of a fan of the spend 30, get 10 that will be back. So I'm not going to go crazy on laundry today, but I do want to tell you guys the breakdown in case you do need some detergent. There are a few all digital deals that you can do. So one way you can do an all digital laundry deal this week is picking up one of the Gain for $6.99. We do have a $1 digital coupon. Then you want to pick up one of the $6.99 Downy beads right here. We have a $2 digital coupon for this. Then you want to grab your Tide liquid. This is the smaller bottle for $6.99. You can use your $1 digital coupon. So these three are going to total us up to $20.97 using the $1 coupon for the Tide and the Gain, all digital, plus the $2 digital for the Downy. We are going to pay out $16.97. Then we'll get back a $5 extra buck. That'll make your final cost just $11.97, or making these $3.99 each. If you want to just focus on Tide, another way that you can do this and grab these for about 50% off. So you can grab one of these Tide liquids right here along with one of the 8.6 ounce beads. You don't want to get that smaller one. You want to get the one that's $6.99 to get you up to that $20 mark, and use the $2 digital. So picking up the liquid for $12.99, this baby right here for $6.99. $3 digital, $2 digital, that'll take off $5. The total before coupons is $19.98. So you'll pay out $14.98 and then get back $5. That makes your final cost for these $9.98 or $4.99 each. Now I want to stop and announce the winner of this week's $25 CVS e-gift card giveaway. The winner this week is Monica Jacobs. Monica, if you will send me an email to claim your prize by Saturday, I will get you verified and get your gift card over to you. Congratulations. And then of course we're going to be doing it again. So all you have to do to enter this week's giveaway is hit that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and of course you must be subscribed to the channel, and I will announce the winner in next Sunday's video. If you use self-checkout a lot, you will probably be excited to know that we have a really nice update to self-checkout at CVS, where now if your store has installed this update, you will be able to select the extra bucks that you want to use, so you won't have to constantly hear that scan coupon. Now you can select them all at once, and you will be able to see the expiration dates on those extra bucks along with your purchase-based coupons, so you can choose the ones that are expiring first. I put the details for this on my blog, so you can go to couponwithstar.com if you want to see the memo that was sent out to the stores about this update. Next thing we're going to grab is a Bactin product. So you can get the spray, or you can get this cleansing spray right here for $9.59. These are buy one, get back $5 in extra bucks. So we're going to pick up one for $9.59. On the coupons.com app or ShopMium, we do have a $1.50 coupon that you can submit back for. And we also have $3.50 back on Ibotta. So we will pay $8.09 at the register. Then we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks, and we'll get back $3.50 from Ibotta. That will make our final cost for this not only free, but a 50-cent moneymaker. The next thing we're going to be grabbing is 2 of the Soft Soap Body Wash. So these are buy 2, get back $4 in extra bucks, and they are $6.59 this week. My account digitally, I do have a $1.50 digital coupon that we're going to be using, and I'll be using a 75-cent printable coupon from their website. So instead of using the 75-cent printable coupon, I decided to scrap the paper coupon and submit to the coupons app for the second one, because we have a $1.50 cash back that you can submit for on the Coupons app or Shop Me Up. So 2 of these are $13.18. With our $3 in coupons, that'll bring us down to $10.18. Then we're going to get back $4 in extra bucks, and we will also get back $4 on Ibotta because we have $2 rebates on each one. That'll make our final cost for these two just $2.18 or $109 each. Now let's go through some hair care deals. So the first one is on the Aussie. So this is an easy deal, especially if you like this product, that anyone can do. So these are $4.99 this week, and they're buy one get one 40% off. And when you buy one, you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks. So these two will total you up to $7.98. We do have a $2 digital coupon that will bring you down to $5.98 at the register. You'll pay out $5.98, get back $4 in extra bucks, making these only 99 cents each. An easy deal with no coupons needed this week is on this Malibu Miracle Repair. So these are $3.59 each, and when you buy two, you're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So you can pick up two for $7.18. No coupons needed. You pay $7.18 and then you get back $5, making these only $109 each. Another great item that you can add in as a filler item if you need it. And that also includes these over here that are $3.99 if you prefer one of these. If you're a fan of the Cetaphil baby products, this week they're buy two, get back $4 in extra bucks. We do have $4 printable coupons. I will have them linked for you to print. So these two would total you up to $14.98. After your $8 in manufacturer coupons, you would be down to pay $6.98 and then get back $4 in extra bucks. It would make these $149 each. With those same $4 Cetaphil coupons, you can also do this spend 20, get 5 on travel size items. We do have the Cetaphil that they carry in this section for $4.59, and those $4 coupons are a match for that, making those only 59 cents. You could pick up like 5 of them, and you can break up your transactions, pay around $2.50 and then get back $5, making them a $2.50 moneymaker. Next thing we're going to be grabbing is 2 of the Cottonelle. These are $10.99 this week, and they're buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck. So I'm going to be using 2 of the $1 coupons from the Cottonelle website. At the $10.99 price, 2 of them before coupons are going to total me up to $21.98. After our coupons, we're going to pay out $19.98, then we'll get back $5 in extra buck. So it will make these $7.49. I'm going to need a filler item for my next transaction so that I can use my 10 off of 70 coupon. So I'm going to be grabbing a Revlon pencil. So with this, I'm just going to be submitting back to Ibotta for $3, and I'm going to use the $5 instant coupon, making this just 69 cents. This is so easy. Anyone can do this. But if you were lucky enough to get double instant coupons this week, then you would actually want to grab 2 of these. It would just make sense. Since these are also spend 20, get 5, you can use double $5 instant coupons and submit back for double back on Ibotta. Can make these a freebie, but since I only have 1 instant coupon, that's only why I'm grabbing 1. Now if you can use the instant coupons next week also, these will be buy 2 get 5. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my spend 70 transaction. So I'm going to do the Cottonelle, the soft soap, the Bactin. I'm also going to be grabbing the CoverGirl and the Revlon and the Aussie. I have my paper coupons pulled right here, and then everything else is loaded to my card. Let's see how this deal goes.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
All right, you guys, so let's go over that transaction. It worked out pretty well. So there is the Cottonelle, there is the Owsey, there is the CoverGirl, there is the soft soap, there is the Revlon, and the Bacton. The Bacton was the only surprise I got. Instead of ringing out for $9.59, that rang out for $9.49. Gotta love inflation. And then all of our paper coupons scanned just fine. We used the 2 off of 2 for the Owsey, the soft soap, the 10 off of 70, the $5 for the Revlon, and then I rolled in a total of $37 in extra bucks, and that left my subtotal at $720. So we paid out $44.20 in this transaction. Now let's talk about what we got back. So we got back $4 for the soft soap, $4 for the Owsey, $5 for the Bacton, $6 for the CoverGirl, and $5 for the Cottonelle. Then I also submitted over to the rebate apps. I got back $10.50 from Ibotta and $1.50 from the coupons.com app. So we spent out a total of $44.20, and then we got back $24 in extra bucks and $12 in cash. That made our paper products transaction a final cost of $8.20. The next thing I want to grab is some Nature Valley bars. So we have two 50-cent digital coupons that will apply for these, making 2 boxes $1.49 each. I also have a Fetch Rewards offer that's going to give me back $1 for picking up these two, because I just need to spend $2.98 more. So I'm not going to use extra bucks to ensure that my receipt tracks that I spent that $2.98. So I'm also going to get $1 back, which is going to make these 99 cents each. Now I was looking for this particular variety that we have, and I bought a rebate for. My store does not carry that. Had they had this would have been a freebie, but at 99 cents each is not a bad deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to buy them with the CoverGirl, so the $2 for the CoverGirl can pay for these 2 boxes of bars. And I went on ahead and bought those items. That was all completely free because the CoverGirl did pay for the snacks. Now I had to split that up because I wanted to use extra bucks to pay for the CoverGirl, but I did not want to use extra bucks to pay for the Fetch Rewards offer. I went ahead and paid for that using a gift card so I could get back that 1,000 points, but that all worked out well, and those were super free. You guys, so this is my complete CVS haul for this week. Probably the smallest haul I have done in a very long time, but there is not much going on at CVS this week, and y'all know if I'm saying it, it's real. There's just not much I want to get. There's a few deals, but they are high and we don't have the money makers to pay for them. So I'm going to leave it right here, just grabbing the stuff that I want. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already, because I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.